Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how you can make this delicious puree for your baby of 6 months upward to 1 year to 1 year plus can take it. So you'll be needing some Irish potato. Yes, you can use Irish potato and you can use sweet potato. Yes, you guys know how nutrient it is in potato for children. Yes, and I promise you at the end of this video your daughter, your child will enjoy this food. So wash your Irish potato. Here I'm using Irish potato and carrots. Yes, wash it very well. You have to be extremely clean because of baby. Then put it on fire and allow it to cook till it's soft. At this junction I came back to check if it is well cooked. Actually, you can test it. So here it is not cooked. I cover it and I still allow it to cook very well. Then I come back to check here is properly cooked. You see how I'm using the spoon to walk in between the meal to make sure that it's properly cooked. Yes, cook it till it's properly cooked. If it's not cooked, add more water and cover it and allow it to cook. Please, if you are coming by in my channel for the first time, hello, this is Everyday with Choice, and here I do lifestyle and everything in between. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So get your blender and add in that potato, cooked potato with carrot. Yes, this you can interchange the carrot with apple, with avocado, pear, with banana, but the potato is the main thing that we are using for this puree. Meanwhile, you can interchange the carrot to potato, to sweet, to avocado, pear, to apple or banana. You can use any of your choice. They are all nice. I do try all flavor for my daughter and she love it. So put it in your blender and blend it to smooth. Yes, make sure you blend it to smooth. If you are blending it, keep checking. If it's too thick, open it, add more water. As you can see me do, check it. What we are looking at is to get a smooth paste that when baby is eating it, she will not choke or have any difficulties in swallowing it. I promise you, if you try this puree for your child, if your child is like a picky eater, doesn't like to eat, mamas, try this puree for your daughter, for your child, your boy, and I assure you, you will come back in the comment section and thank me. Your baby will love this potato puree. It's so nutritious, it's sweet, it's delicious. If your baby has a sweet taste bud, you can always add banana to sweeten it up, apple, like is very delicious. So right here I will keep blending. You see, I take time to blend it. Yes, because what I'm looking is a puree now, and you know how puree supposed to be very smooth and very smooth. So I took my time to blend it very well. I especially buy this blender for my baby food. I don't use it for any other thing, just my baby food. Yes, and at this junction it was properly blended. Yes, I blended it very well. You can see I still go back sef, I still blend it. That is how smooth I want it to be. I want it that when the baby is eating it, she will not feel like she's choking or there is lumps or whatever. I blend it to smooth. I blend it, I allow it to blend. Please, at this junction, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and turn on your bell notification. Please join this community, you will love it here. And voila, our puree is ready to be served. Our puree is ready to be served. Yes, our puree is ready. You will just open it and pour it in your baby plate. Make sure you wash your baby plate and your daughter will look at that creaminess. Your daughter will enjoy it. Please, at this junction, we look at it now. Your daughter will love it. Please, thank you for watching and try it for your baby.